I think Maruti is looking good beyond 16,000. Let's take Arpit's view. Arpit, the final F&O settlement happening today for the monthly basis. What are the rollovers telling you, and how is Maruti placed?
So if you see overall this month, if you see the monthly change for Nifty particularly on the monthly basis is just up by 1%, whereas Bank Nifty is also up by 1.5%. So rollovers broadly it has been in line so far around in both the indices. If you talk about auto index as a whole, I like to showcase more highlight on the auto index because auto index has been quite resilient in this choppy market where it is trading a life high territory, and I think definitely within the auto index Maruti is one of the counters, has been sideways, but a very beautiful chart setup on the weekly time frame, holding well above its 50 DEMA, though consolidating from last 7 to 8 sessions, but good base formation near around 50,500 levels. And as auto index is outperformer, the stock can head towards 16,300, 16,500. That is the previous swing high. More momentum can be seen above its previous closing. Along with that, one more counter that looks good within this space, what I'd like to add is Eicher Motors. So Eicher Motors also given a classical range when I got on the weekly scale after 9 weeks above 7,050 levels, and I think the stock looks good for the December series to head towards 7,500, 7,600 levels. So within the auto pack, Maruti and Eicher looks quite positive on the long side.
Okay, what about within the power basket? I mean, I know we loosely talk about power and then renewables, but how would you differentiate, and which are the stocks that you would look at within the larger, power or energy space? Because we've seen a mix of them move of late.
If we see overall the energy basket, particularly if we talk about, the biggest heavyweight that is Reliance Industries, that has been a good recovery we have seen in last month, slowly steadily from 1400 levels to 1550 levels. And I think look at the chart setup wise, as we've seen the market breadth has been quite deteriorating, but the selective large caps are holding the market well. So I think first from the energy pack would be Reliance Industries itself, and look at the chart setup on the monthly scale. It has given a range breakout around 1520 levels. The stock can head towards 1600, 1620 levels positionally. So Reliance is a preferred pick. Second would be from the OMC pack, that is if you look at the chart structure of HPCL. So HPCL has seen a very good rally in the month of September and October series, though the stock has seen some corrective move in this series from higher levels, but it has given a monthly range breakout above 440 levels, and I think that would be again a favorable entry point zone for the medium term to long term positional traders. And if its stock corrects towards 440, 445 levels, that could be a good entry point with keeping stop loss of 420. The stock can again head towards 475, 500 levels positionally.
Okay, one stock I'd like to mark in the swing trade space is Ashok Leyland, 2.3% higher, and this after 5 consistent days of selling. This is also looking strong on the charts, although the numbers weren't really good on the third quarter basis. Arpit, what are the charts of Ashok Leyland telling you?
Look at the chart structure, definitely being from the favorable sector, that is the auto index. Auto index is in overall uptrend. Look at the chart structure on the monthly time frame. Structure of higher lows is intact. Weekly scale, there was some pause in the previous week, but the good part on daily scale, it is holding well above its 20 DEMA. And as soon as the stock touches near 20 DEMA, we see good recovery. So after 6 to 7 sessions, it has negated the formation of a lower highs after almost 7 sessions. Strong bullish candle in spite of market weakness, broader market weakness. So I think a good support is seen around 144 levels. The stock can head towards 152, 155 positionally. The bigger trend is positive. The stock can head towards 152 and then positionally 160 going forward.
Back to auto. That's really where the action is. What about the agri theme? Anything from the broader markets on the back of that theme that you'd be looking at right now, Arpit?
If we see overall, as we see the overall market in a holistic view, there are sectors which are outperforming and then there are sectors which are underperforming. So right now, from a trading perspective, we have to keep a balance between long and short ideas, because such market, yesterday we have seen a brutal selling across mid cap and small cap indices, whereas the large caps are holding well. So our sense is that selective sectors such as NBFCs, particularly financials, followed by auto index and selective capital market stocks are likely to outperform, and we can create a basket of that going forward. This likes of Shriram Finance, AB Capital from the financials, from the auto pack, Eicher Motors, M&M, and from the exchange theme MCX on the long side. At the same time, if we see weakness has been seen in the railway stocks, particularly Selective Defense, consumer durables, and Realty pack. So we have to also spot on these shorting opportunities for a tactical play within the Realty packs, likes of Oberoi Realty, Crompton Greaves. Apart from that, along with that, RVNL, IRCTC. So you have to maintain a balance between these two sectors going forward in the market, because market has been very much selective in last couple of weeks.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.